Welcome to Spring LIB.
So for this question, we basically need to think about what an estuary is and what happens in them. Estuaries are bodies of water where a river or like a flowing body of water is exiting into a marine biome, like a saltwater sea or in the ocean. And sort of in this area, they tend to be very shallow and brackish, meaning, and there's a lot of like high salt levels. But these levels actually vary because as the current is coming in, as you're like closer to the river portion, if you will, there is a higher concentration of fresh water, so low salinity. But as we get closer and closer to the ocean, let's just say, um, these salt levels indicated in green start to rise as like the water is sort of mixing in, and as the fresh water tends to move out into the ocean, you'll get a higher and higher concentration of salt water. And so in estuaries, the salinity levels actually vary. They're not sort of uniform throughout. And now that we have that definition down, let's take a look at our multiple choice options and figure out which one uh, makes sense. Uh, so it's not A because it's not a constantly high saltwater level. B looks correct. It's where salinity varies, but let's take a look at our other options first before we move ahead. It's not low. It does not have a low salinity level. It has relatively high one, but it still varies throughout it. And D uh, does not is again it does not make sense. It's not entering land. It's entering a body of water. It's also not low in salt levels. So once we've looked at that, we can see that B